Right, we are going to make our wave pattern. We are going to start with a slip knot, and then we are going to do a multiple of 14 plus 2. So however big you want it, plus 2. I'm only going to do 28 plus 2. So we're going to do 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right, so that's our 30, okay? Now we are going to do a double in the third chain from the hook, and that's our first double. Then we are going to do 4 doubles. So we've got 1, oh, holding on to the wrong bit there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets together. So we've got 1, 2, 1. This is just how I think about it, sorry. 2. Then we've got another 4 double crochets. So we've got 1, 2. It does go a bit curly to start with, but it will sort itself out. 3. Probably doesn't help because I'm recycling this yarn to do this. 4. And then we've got an increase. So 2 in the same one makes an increase. And then we've got another increase. So 2 in the same one. I use American terms, so if you are using UK terms, this is actually a treble. Then we've got another 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got our decrease again. So we've got 2 double crochets together. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we've got 4 doubles left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll notice you should have 1 chain left. There we go, and you need to do 2 doubles into this chain. So 1, 2. That's the end of your first row. That's the trickiest row. It doesn't look overly wavy yet, but don't worry about that. Chain 2, turn, and then we need to do a double in there, in the first one. And then we've got 4 more doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what you should notice is when you come to do your double crochet 2 together, one of them, the second part of the double crochet 2 together, should be on the double crochet 2 together from the row below, sorry. So this is our double crochet 2 together. And then on the next part, the first stitch will be on the double crochet 2 together from below and on that. So we're doing another double crochet 2 together. It's such a mouthful, double crochet 2 together. From now on, I'm just going to call it a decrease. There we go, that's your decrease. So then do 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do your increases, which is your 2 doubles in the same stitch. 1, 2, 1, oops, 2. Just realised, guys, that on my pattern I actually have been using the back loop only. Why have I got this knot? So if you like this pattern but you prefer the one I've done, just go into the back loop, don't go through both, just go into the back. I'm going to start that from now just so you can see, okay? So we're going to do 4 doubles now. So 1, it's basically a repeat of everything that we did on the last row, as just a repeat. 2, 3, 4, and then you've got your 2 double crochet 2 together. So that's 1. You'll be able to see the difference in a minute between the back loop only. 2, and then you've got your 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you do need to add another increase at the end here, and you just have to find the stitch. It is there, you just have to find it. It can be a bit tricky, it can be a bit hidden, but I promise you it's there. So 1, 2. Now I'm going to show you the difference between doing the back loop and not. You can see there's a nice ridge in this part, but there isn't in this part, and it's completely up to you what you want. If you want the ridge, then just do it in the back loop only. If you don't care about the ridge, you can do it through both, that's fine. Then you're going to do chain 2, turn around, and then do a double in that one. And then you're going to do 4 doubles. I'm going to keep in the back loop because my pattern is in the back loop. I don't know why I didn't do it in the back loop. 2, and if it wasn't a tutorial video, I would frog it if I was doing it on the proper blanket. 3, 4. Then you've got your 2 double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, 1. Get out of the way. My yarn's getting all tangled here. 2. No change there. I should have caked it, shouldn't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do your 2 increases. 1, 2. I'm going to go to the end of this row and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to stop because it is just a repeat, so you can just keep replaying the video. And my yarn really just wants to get tangled up at the moment, doesn't it? Come on, don't be silly. Silly thing, get off. Right, so where did I get to? I've done the increase, so now we're going to do 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4. On my blanket I did 72 chain to start, no, 72 plus 2, so I did 74 to start with. This is my decrease because I wanted it to be like a lap blanket size. I'm also on the blanket that I showed on the live, I'm doing an Aran and a size 5 hook, whereas at the moment I'm using a DK and a size 4. But yeah, so there are 2 decrease. Then we've got 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget that hidden stitch, which is down here, but it is there, and you need to do 2 doubles in it. 1, 2, chain 2, and off you go again. You can see here where I did the ridge and where I haven't done the ridge, you can see the difference. And then yeah, if you keep going like that, you will end up with this. Isn't it beautiful? There we go.